Until now, the flashpoint between China and the Philippines has remained the trading routes, natural gas, and oil reserves of the disputed South China Sea. But this time, the two countries are clashing on a rusty old ship that is placed in an uninhabited Spratly island of the South China Sea. So, why has an old, rusty ship suddenly become the focal point in the competition for asserting dominance in the South China Sea? So, the old, rusty ship's name is Sierra Madre. It was constructed and commissioned in 1994 by the US for World War II, and subsequently, it was sent to fight in the Vietnam War. Later, then it was given to the ally of the US, Philippines. So Philippines, the new owner of the ship, decided to bring the ship to the second Thomas Shoal Island, a submerged island in the South China Sea. And this move by the Philippines was strategic and deliberate to further claim and strengthen its territorial claims on the South China Sea. As of today, the ship is largely dilapidated and rusting. However, the Philippines can't afford to leave the ship behind, as the country can't afford to take the risk of weakening its claims over the islands. So that is why, for its time-to-time maintenance, the Philippines have been sending supplies via small boats. But as we know that in the recent times, China has become much more aggressive with its claim over the sea. A recent analysis by the Washington Post, based on ship tracking data and videos, found that Chinese Coast Guard and militia ships have repeatedly swarmed and collided with Philippine resupply vessels. China was also found to have increased the deployment of its ship and directed water cannons at Filipino boats during supply missions to the Sierra Madre. In 1999, though, China once chose the way of words and asked the Philippines directly to remove the ship from the sea, which is something the Philippines rejected. Now, amidst the escalating and growing tensions in the South China Sea dispute, how far will this conflict between China and Philippines will extend? For all the updates on this controversial issue, keep watching NewsX.